Allie.
And I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about food as medicine.
In this video, we are going to be making a delicious snack, turmeric roasted cashews.
This is one of the fan favorite recipes featured in our 12-week food as medicine ketosis meal plans. And at the end of this video, we will be sharing a specific discount link for you YouTube watchers, so stay tuned. But these turmeric roasted cashews are a nice, warming flavor profile. They're savory, crunchy, salty, and they're antioxidant rich, fiber supportive for satiety, a fat-fueled snack, and anti-inflammatory.
All right, so we're starting with about 2 cups of raw cashews here. And cashews are also a great source of minerals. So we find copper in here, we find a little bit of zinc and magnesium, all supportive of blood sugar balance. So I'm gonna dump these into here.
Sure. And we also know that cashews have been shown in research to have beneficial properties for heart health. In fact, they can favorably support the lipid regulation, increasing your HDL, that broom of the vessels, while reducing your LDL, which is the cholesterol that's more prone towards oxidative damage and plaque formation. We're next going to add in some coconut oil, which is also a compound that's been shown to support a good, healthy HDL level. We're going to take melted coconut oil, and we're going to mix in some chili powder, some garlic powder, a ½ teaspoon of each, a full tablespoon of turmeric, and then a ½ teaspoon also of mineral salt, a sea salt, and black pepper. So added to this coconut oil, which provides us a really rich source of MCTs, or medium chain triglycerides, to support metabolism and ketone production, we're going to be getting some warming flavor profile from the chili powder and the garlic, very supportive of detoxification. And then our turmeric. You want to feature some of those faves? I'll try to stir them all in this tiny bowl here.
Yes, turmeric best for its anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, we've featured super turmeric on here several times as our turmeric supplement, but we love using turmeric in the diet as well to combat inflammation, support cardiovascular health, and support detoxification. And you can see the way Allie mixed the spices into the oils, it helps to just distribute them a little bit easier.
All right. I will sprinkle on the salt and pepper, and then I'll get my hands in there and make sure everything's distributed. The bright phytocompounds in turmeric, you don't want them on your hands too long, so I'll give my fingertips a quick rinse. And that's also why we're using unbleached parchment paper for a real quick, easy cleanup. So once all of the nuts are thoroughly coated in your coconut oil seasoning blend, we're just going to spread them out onto a baking sheet.
All right, and we want a single layer, so you're getting the best, most even cooking and the best crunch here. And we're gonna go ahead and pop these in the oven at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes. You really want to watch that they're not burning or overcooking, so check them at that 8, give it a little shake, and if it needs another minute or 2, you can leave them a little bit longer. But you want to start smelling the aroma of those warming spices. So until they're fragrant and they're looking crispy, and most of the oil that you can see, kind of that slickness, has absorbed.
All right, so this is our beautiful, crunchy, savory final product. And we'll give them both a little taste here. And as we promised, we do have a discount code for y'all.
Yes, so to save on that 12-week keto meal plan, that includes this recipe. It's actually 200 solid pages, so 12 full weeks. You get it all at once, and you also get it emailed to you week by week with a weekly challenge and just some tips and tricks and reminders. You can use the code YTMP5 to save $5 off.
So each week meal plan also comes with a comprehensive grocery list, as well as a meal plan matrix helping you to weigh out throughout the day meals and snacks, and really provides you a lot of structure and confidence that you can fuel your whole household with food as medicine and get a taste of how we do a ketogenic diet. So definitely check that out. And if you liked this recipe, make sure you put a comment below and like this video and subscribe to our Naturally Nourished YouTube channel so you never miss out on our bi-weekly food as medicine shares. Yes. So these provide an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich bang for pack. I don't know.
Banging
I had something banging. It's a banger.
With
It's a banger.
nutritional